Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic car key battery. This simple task can be done in just a few minutes with minimal tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Let's get started right away. Now, let's open your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you will see the circuit board and the battery. Next, we will replace the battery. Observe how the old battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. Use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly in its spot. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, go to your vehicle and test all the functions, like locking and unlocking the doors. Your key fob should now work perfectly with its brand new battery. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.